If you have a portrait video and you want to make it landscape in CapCut, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to change your video ratio so your vertical video fits a widescreen format. This is super useful if you want to upload your edit to YouTube, create a more cinematic look, or simply make your project work in a landscape layout. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy CapCut tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open CapCut and start a new project. Then click Import to add your portrait video into the project. Once the file is imported, drag it down onto the timeline so you can begin editing it. This is the main step that lets CapCut know which clip you want to work with. Now look at the preview screen. On the right side or near the bottom of the preview area, you should see the ratio box. It usually looks like a small rectangle icon, and this is where you control the aspect ratio of your project. The ratio determines whether your video appears vertical, square, or horizontal. Click the ratio box and you'll see different format options appear. Since your video is currently portrait, it will usually be set to 9:16. That's the standard vertical format used for TikTok, Shorts, and Reels. To make the video landscape, simply change the setting from 9:16 to 16:9. This instantly switches your canvas to a widescreen layout. Once you select 16:9, your portrait video will appear inside a landscape frame. Depending on your clip, you may see black space on the sides, or your video may need to be repositioned slightly. If that happens, you can adjust the clip on the timeline or resize it inside the preview window so it looks better in the new format. And that's really all there is to it. By changing the ratio from 9:16 to 16:9, you can quickly turn a portrait video into a landscape video in CapCut without complicated editing. It's a simple trick, but it makes a huge difference when you need the right format for your content. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next CapCut editing tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.